And I think, you look at our electrification journey itself. I mean, we're up 178% year over year in terms of electric sales. We've more than doubled our electric sales in the last year. And we've done that basically with two cars, both of which are in the same segment, the XC40 and the C40. We've just released a brand new EX30, which is coming in at a price point of €35,000 with almost 500 kilometer range. And then we've released our EX90, which is at the top end of our model range as well. So yeah, I think it's validation that the electric market is really now starting to come of age, and we're starting to see those who move early, I think, are going to be rewarded for taking that stance, and I think we'll be one of those companies.
There's this other situation, and I'll allude to the EX30 in a few moments, where people are saying, look, that Tesla is destroying the margins of everyone by cutting the prices so aggressively in order to gain market share over the medium to long term. I hear what you're saying about the EX30, and I think it's fascinating. In your commentary today, you say expected gross margins on the car in the range of 15 to 20%. Well, that would match what Tesla is getting as well. So again, on the margin side of the ledger as well, you'd refute the fact that the OEMs are struggling in Europe.
Yeah, because if you look at what we've done over the last 2 or 3 years, we've really invested heavily in the technology stack. So we're writing all of our own software that looks to the perception stack, which is basically the ADAS, and we'll be as capable, I think, as anyone else on the full AD stack as well. But we've also been investing heavily in electrical propulsion. We've brought in-house our own development of e-motors, which has given us extended range and much more efficiency. We're investing in battery technology. We're investing in inverter technology with technology such as silicon carbide, and we're bringing all that together with our own software. So yeah, I think we've seen the benefits that the combination of a really solid hardware company that really understands how to build high quality premium vehicles, and then augmented that over recent years with development of our software and our electrification journey.
Jim, we are in an aggressive interest rate cycle, and investors are wondering if there's a recession still around the corner. We're watching very closely some of the spending patterns by consumers. Any sense in the latest quarter that you've got more cautious consumers to deal with?
Yeah, this is something that we keep an incredibly watchful eye on. And our demand remains robust globally. Of course, there's patches, in different parts of the world where it's a little bit softer than others. But for the best part, the overwhelming demand for our existing products. And when we released the EX30 and the EX90, our two new fully electric vehicles, the pre-orders for that has exceeded our expectations as well. So I think people who want to own a Volvo and what Volvo stands for, which is safety, sustainability, human-centric technology, and the fact that we can now offer that in a fully electric package as well, that's our customer base. It's a loyal customer base, and we're seeing, we're being rewarded by that loyal customer base as we move towards full electrification. So basically that means that we can maintain our premium price discipline, which of course is great for our margin structure.